Rita Arrigo. I'm from the National AI Centre, and I've been working with AI for about 5 years. I've been in the AI industry, which is, very young, for about 5 years. I started learning about AI in my role at Microsoft, and I've also worked for RMIT in the Centre of Industrial AI Research and Innovation, and I now work for the National AI Centre. I'm here today to have a chat to people about the venturing into a career in AI. I'm talking a little bit about Australian AI companies that I work with, some of the initiatives of the National AI Centre, like the voluntary AI standards, and some of the work that we're doing around adoption. Well, I was very inspired to come to this event. Number one, I love an event on a Saturday. It allows me to really focus and think about it and get away from work. I also think it's very exciting to be surrounded by people who are investing in their own knowledge. And the energy here is so exciting because people are thinking about it, trying to learn how to do more AI. AI is a really exciting initiative because it's not something you do on your own. It's a team sport. So these kind of events are super exciting for bringing people together and thinking about which areas of AI they want to specialise in. This event stands out for me because it's a little different in terms of what is being achieved. So it really is about really helping you leapfrog in your AI knowledge, taking you to the next level very quickly. And I think that's super exciting about this event. I would definitely recommend this event to other people. If you want to learn about AI, you want to build your own agent, you want to learn about all the different elements from end to end, this is a great place to get started.